Hopefully that'll hold. Okay, those watching the replay, hello, hello. Just gonna share this video. How's the light? Looks kind of cool though. You see the roof? I don't have my tripod today, so I borrowed something. Okay. Say hello if you pop on. If you see this video and you want to see more of my videos, make sure that you comment or give me a like or something like that, or some hearts, so that you will see them. If you don't comment or don't say anything, Facebook thinks you don't want to see them anymore, so they won't show them. So the best way to see them more is to say hello, comment, who's on, say hello. Oh my God, Tishi? I know I don't have my glasses on, sorry. Well, hello and welcome. Okay, we're gonna talk about this topic because I kind of get it a lot, and I'm like, let's talk about it again. I just got a comment on it yesterday. Because some people think too, oh, and I was gonna say belly fat and exercise. Did I say that? Because it's like people are like, what kind of exercises can you do for the belly fat, right? So, because I'm a personal trainer. Some people may not know that. I don't practice it anymore, but I did work as a personal trainer, so. Okay, oh, I did it again. Let me just, I did something wrong anyways, so it's frustrating. All right, I'll be with you in a minute on why you have the belly fat, what happens, why is it there, why is it so stubborn, why is it so hard to lose. We're just going to talk a little bit about this because I am going to do a couple of free trainings coming up, and I'm just getting the particulars on what I want to talk about. But if you guys have any topics you want me to do specific video about, then let me know, okay? Because that's the best thing I can do is ask you so that you get me talking about what you kind of want. Hello, Kathleen. Otherwise, how do I know, right? And there you go. Okay. Sharing that now, let's just see. That's the thing, having so many places to share. So this is, I originated this one from my business page, Diana Marchand, so make sure that you have liked me there. I'd rather have people on that and in Women Creating Healthy Lives than my personal one. Okay. So we're gonna start talking about this, and then people who jump on can always watch some of the replay, right? Okay, so one thing I'm going to answer first of all is what exercises can I do for the belly fat in midlife? There's none. Exercises is not what you need to focus on. It's the food. It's always the food. But the flabby, so if it's like loose skin, the flabbiness, same within your legs, same within your butt, same within your arms, right? That flabby skin. So it's like kind of, you know, that's what happens. So as we age, because the collagen is worse and stuff. Hello, say hello when you come on. So we're dealing with that, right? We're dealing with our hormones decreasing and all that. What happens naturally is that well, for one, we begin to lose muscle mass quite fast. And actually from the age of 35, women begin to lose muscle. If you're not using it, that's for sure. So if you're not working out, if you're somebody who's like, I don't like the gym, I don't want to work out, I don't like doing all that kind of stuff, the result is going to be that you are going to have all this flabbiness, you're going to have the loose skin, you're going to have the fat, you're going to have all that type of look, the cellulite, all of that, because you're not strengthening, maintaining, building, maintaining muscle mass, right? When you don't maintain the muscle mass, your metabolism slows down. So your muscle is the furnace of your body. It helps to burn. It's good for your metabolism. It helps to burn the calories. But if you're not, so when we're in our 20s and 30s, we can easily keep that muscle mass. You get in your 40s, especially 50s, it starts to decrease much faster. All right, it's darker. Oh my God. Sorry, guys. There's nothing I can do. I just darkened the screen. I might have to delete this. I don't know why this happens. Is it back? No, it's not back. Okay, let's go over here. I don't know what just happened. I have no idea. So you're going to have to, that was so weird. The screen went super dark. You're going to have to work on your muscle mass. That is the one thing. And it's food for the belly fat. Like when you actually continually gain weight around your belly, it's the hormones and it's the foods. And a big thing a lot of people don't realize is if you are still eating, well, simple carbohydrates or breads, packaged foods, and if you're eating a lot of packaged foods too, even the frickin' snacks, the keto, new frickin' goddamn keto snacks and shit like that are out now, and all the snacks, read the labels, read all the preservatives, all the colorings, all the natural flavorings, all of those things that are in products that you are buying. And if they have those preservatives, if they have that natural flavor, if they have like spices, right, with an asterisk, spices, those are toxins and chemicals. They get into your body stores them in fat, okay? Your body will not release the fat unless you stop eating those toxins, unless it can get rid of those toxins. What is going on with this? Sorry about that, it's so dark. So know that, okay? So it's what you eat. You need to change what you eat. The belly fat, there's no sit-up that's going to take it away. All that firming up, so firming up your arms, firming up your butt, firming up your legs, getting the shape back is going to require weight training exercises. It's going to require body weight exercises. You need to build and maintain your muscle, for sure. And then when you gain more muscle, then again, your metabolism works faster, so you're able to burn fat better, so absolutely. Detoxing, you need to stop eating the crap and start reading all labels and really go to complete whole foods, right? Simple carbohydrates, simple starches, snacks, cookies, no matter if they claim they're healthy, no matter how many calories they say they are, those things just convert right to fat to your body super fast. So those are things to note. Right? But I just had to get on because I was getting a little frustrated about, well, I just have this belly fat. I just have this belly flab. What exercise or what can I do? It's not just one thing. You're dealing with the hormone imbalance in your body. You're dealing with stress too. If you have too much stress in your life, you will not release the belly fat. You will continue to gain fat. You will continue to gain fat. You will continue to gain fat. So if you're caught up in that stress loop and believing and thinking that you can never get out of it, then you're just going to continue gaining weight. I'm sorry, but you got to make a decision to change your life, right? Same with exercise. Well, I don't have time to go to the gym. Well, then you are going to get the consequences of not going to the gym. That is a fact, right? That's just the fact. You got to make a change for things to change in your body. That's what it is. It's never impossible to make a change. We just believe it is. We don't want to. Right? It's just this resistance, which I kind of go with in my business. But, and that's also, I am actually doing a quick little program thing on resistance that's coming out, which is quite funny because I feel it and I know how tough it is to be stuck in that resistance. Yeah, so that if you got the belly fat and you're wanting to know if there's exercises, nope, there are not. The best thing you can do is eat super clean for a while, and then of course if you want to exercise to tone, to get so that it's, once you lose the belly fat you can actually see your toned muscles underneath, then that's what exercise will do for you. Highly encourage, of course, still doing some body weight strength training, maintaining your muscle, building muscle mass at any age, because it's possible at any age, absolutely. If you don't like the gym, find another way to do it. Find a class, find something you like to do. Never ever give up until you find what you like to do. Hi Tina. Do you guys have any questions? And I'm going to be doing, I think, a 2-video free training series coming up. I'm going to be posting about that during the week, because I feel like doing something like that on specific topics. So if you have a specific topic you want me to cover, post it below. I would love to hear from you. It's better to cover something you want, right, than something you don't want. I have weights, need to get back to, yeah, you do. And that's the thing too, we often say, I need to, or I'm going to, or I plan to, I keep thinking I'm going to, I can't get motivated to, right? All those things we say to ourselves about the exercise or whatever. It's just because it doesn't excite you. It's not something, but not everything does. It's like what I use the analogy of when we tell our kids to do their homework. They're not excited to do their homework. They're not like jumping up for joy. But do we make them? Yes. It's necessary. That's the same with you. You gotta, I mean, we start acting like children again, almost. I don't want to do it. I don't like to do it. I don't have time, right? We get in this victim, this poor me thing. You gotta just suck it up. Yeah, and you gotta have heavier dumbbells, 2 pounds, 5 pounds. Like, you gotta be feeling the burn to build muscle. You gotta be really feeling it. But of course, start at a certain level and then work your way up, right? But yeah, what I used to see at the gym too is some women wanting to build to work, or thinking they're gonna build muscle and get big and bulky. I tell you, that would take 3 hours a day, 5 days at the gym at least to build muscle right now. To build a bulky body. You're not gonna build a bulky body. So, you know, you got to make sure that when you want to build muscle, you need to be actually putting in quite a lot of effort, as in heavier weights. But start with lighter weights so that you build up your strength of your ligaments and tendons, because those need to be built up first. Otherwise, you'll injure yourself. That's the way it goes, right? So hire a trainer, get to a gym, do a class, have someone show you how to do things properly. If you're totally resistant to that, then, you know, find some sort of videos online, do something at home, but you must start building that muscle if you want that real flab to go away, right? And notice how you start talking to yourself. Would you allow your teenager or your child to say those things to you, right? Listen to how you're talking about, I don't want to do it, it's just too hard, I hate it, it sucks, right? Listen to that inner child within you, because that's what we resort to right away. All right, I hope that helps. I know it wasn't very like, oh, it's kind of discouraging in a way, but it's kind of a kick in the butt too. It's kind of a kick in the butt to let you know there is no secret formula. There is not one freaking exercise. There's a lot of things going on, but it's all about being willing and ready and saying, I am ready. I am taking back my power, and I'm going to do what it takes, because I know the way I desire to feel. I know the way I desire to look, and I'm going to get there, because you can. You can. You're the only one stopping you. Truly, you are. It's boring. Yeah, well, so what if it's boring? Why does it have to be fun? Why does it, you guys, how many things do we do in, like, really, seriously? It doesn't have to be fun. Just do it. I know that sounds weird. You're just saying that, but I know there's lots of things you do that aren't fun that you do, right? So we're using this excuse like, well, I don't like it, it's not fair. You brush your teeth. Is brushing your teeth fun? No, it's not fun at all. I don't really like it. Flossing your teeth is worse. I don't like it at all, but I do it every single day. You know what I mean? If you want to have a fun class, like at a gym, that you see something and you go, that would be fun, I really want to do that, then do that. Because right away you see it as fun. You can't really make something fun that you don't like, right? So find something that when you see it, it's like, oh, that looks like fun. I think I want to do that. I used to hate riding a bike because my legs hurt so bad. I ended up becoming a spinning, you know, for those bike spinning instructor. I did. I don't like riding a bike on my own at all. Super boring, like in a gym. So I went into a spinning class one time. I'm like, okay, I'm going to try this. They look like they're having fun and the music's great, right? I went, almost killed me, almost freaking killed me. But I know enough to go at my pace, right? So I just kept going back. I didn't like it. It wasn't fun at first. It was like, Jesus, I hate this. But the thing is that I knew, oh my God, I bet I could burn so many calories in a spin class and strengthen my legs. And I'm like, and in a short period of time. And it's not me having to do it. I watch and I just do it. I just go in there, get in the zone and do it in the spinning class, right? I ended up loving it, and I ended up being a spinning instructor, and I did amazing classes. I got super fit, but I didn't start by liking it. You see what I mean? I saw the benefits, I wanted to try it, and I kept doing it because I knew the benefits and I knew it felt good, and I knew that being part of a class, I would be almost like forced to do it. I wouldn't walk out halfway because I'm not going to do that, right? So find something like that. All right. Have an amazing day. Make sure you're part of my Facebook community, Women Creating Healthy Lives, because that is where those trainings are going to be in the next few days. I will not do them on my public, okay? That's where I do special trainings, is in that group and stuff. Got it. Just do it and need to. Yeah, absolutely. It is. It's get over our own excuses and stories. And we'll be talking more about that, Tina, this week for sure in Next Level You, because that's what comes up when we start to think about exercising. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.